to the Fantasia Podcast. I'm Naila, who will host in this podcast. Today I will special guest, namely from Cibitung Vocational School. Nah, today the first person we will ask is already next to me. Hello Adele, can you tell me about your school?
Hello, Nai. Well, Cibitung Vocational High School is one of the best school in my town. My school is very large, and overall, it has 15 classroom, 1 teacher room, headmaster room, clean toilet, library, logistic warehouse, 3 computer laboratory, sport field, mosque, unit health school, canteen, and also large parking area for teacher, student, and also guests. When we go over the gate, there is a security post. The security post is guarded by 2 security guards. Beside the security post, there is a parking area and mosque. After going through the parking area, we'll see the main building, my school. The building is quite large. It seems it serves as teachers, headmaster, and employees room in my school.
Wow, Adele, your story is very good. Thank you for sharing your story with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Nai. Thank
Say
you, guys.
goodbye, camera. Hello, Floren. Welcome to Fantasia Podcast. How are you today, Floren?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm so good and I'm fine. Okay, Floren, I heard from Adele about your school. What about your major?
My warehouse room is very comfortable. There are 2 units air conditioners and 2 units fans that make the room is cold. Besides that, in the warehouse room there are also several computer units and CPU provided specifically for management logistic measures. To make it easier for us to do productive tasks such as packaging, product design, t-shirt design, and to learn how software works. More than that, in the warehouse room, there is also a back room that is usually used for practice.
Oh, I see. So, your major is management logistic, right? So, what do you do in your warehouse?
It is in this room that we work on assignments together, discuss, make jokes with friends, or play games when class hours are over.
Oh, I understand. Seems like fun, right?
I'm very fun and happy.
Okay, Floren, thank you for your sharing your story with us. Thank you so much. Hope you always happy and healthy. Thank you. Say goodbye to Fantasia Podcast. Okay, we've already heard about majors and laboratory. Now, I want to hear about her class. Nah, I've been with Naomi. Hello, Naomi. Can you tell me about your class?
Hello Naila, the classroom is sometimes noisy because many students are joking, singing, and watching film. In the classroom, there are also 2 air conditioners, which make feel cool, and the room is also clean and smells good.
Wow, your class must be very comfortable. Do you feel at home there?
Of course, in my classroom is very good.
Naomi, thank you so much. Hope you are always healthy and happy. Thank you. Okay guys, let's move on to the next friends. Hello Shayla.
Hi.
Okay Shayla, I want to hear about your music studio at your school. What do you know about it?
In the music room, there are musical instruments, namely piano, guitar, drums, angklung, edge.
Wow, so good. How the music teacher?
There is also a musical instrument teacher named Mr. Hendar. In the musical instrument room, it is very exciting to learn to sing. Learn to play musical instrument which is very fun, which I don't know before.
Okay, Shayla, thank you for your sharing your story with us. Hope you always happy. Thank you. Please. Okay guys, last but not least, and Shiva here. Okay Shiva, how about you today?
I'm so good, Nai. Thank you for inviting us, Nai.
Okay, my pleasure. And I'm curious, how about the library in Cibitung One Vocational School?
In the library, there are kits of books such as novel, comics, dictionary, knowledge book, textbook, and many more.
Wow, have you ever borrowed a library book?
Of course, yesterday I finished reading a comic in the title Hamiko. There are also Harry Potter's novel. You know, there are various books there starting from fantasy story, histories, comedy, and even there are also toys. You can also borrow books to take home, but don't forget to always be responsible for looking after the books.
Okay Shiva, thank you for your sharing your story with us. Thank you, hope you always happy and healthy. Bye bye. Okay guys, I asked the host, have permission to leave. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the next Fantasia podcast. Bye bye.